with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, hot pan coming recipe like this one. Sell off. Alright, we got some apple which I want to be using, and I'm going to be demonstrating everything, all of the ingredients which I'm going to be using inside of this lovely juice drink today. First of all, apple. You need. Alright, we're gonna put some apple. If you have a good blender like this, honestly, you can't go wrong. Got some organic ginger, which I'm gonna be using also inside of it. Very, very nice recipe, guys. I did a lot of different kind of juice. You know what I mean? So this one's going to be very delicious. Using roughly about 4 apples. Alright, this is a pear. I'm gonna put a pear inside of it. So definitely the pear will definitely come down with a nice, lovely, smooth to it. Alright. We got some lemon. I'm gonna put some lemon inside of it. Alright. We have the big celebrity here, but I think it's going out. Lemon. I'm gonna put roughly about a cup of water, cup and a half of water inside of the blender. Alright, first of all, I must say to you this time, I will be putting some honey inside of this one because of the water. But I'm using organic honey. Roughly about a teaspoon of organic honey. Nice one. And now what I'm going to do is take it to the blender. Nice one. So what we're gonna do is run it through our strainer just to get the liquid. We don't need the fiber. We just need to work with the liquid. Alright. So because there's a lot of fiber in this one. Take a little time and just simply strain it. You can see it for yourself. Yeah, nice one. This is exactly what I talk about in the kitchen. So in the kitchen, you have to learn to be creative on all these things. You know what I mean? Any little thing you have in the kitchen, just use it and make yourself some nice, lovely juice. You know? Because I'm taking nothing to do something like this at home, guys. Honestly. So you just want to make sure all of that liquid come out, you know what I mean? Really come out through the blender. Lovely, simple, and nice and unique, you know what I mean? This is how Chef Ricardo normally do it in the kitchen, guys, honestly. All right. Yeah, I eat that still, you know. There's not more else. I can't complain, you know what I mean? I can't complain, I eat that. Alright. So, just gonna serve it up now. God, look how this look nice and lovely. Look at the juice. Look upon that, guys. It is amazing and fantastic. Now, look at this. It's time to serve him up. And that's exactly what I talk about. Alright. Now, no time for muck about. Get some ice. Yeah. This is exactly. Hear that lovely. Sees. Yeah, man, that matter about. So that look at that. Lovely apple juice. Can't go wrong from Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright. Remember, subscribing is very important. Without subscribe and clicking the notification bell, you're not gonna know where you stand. Alright guys? So yeah, as I said, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Yeah? We have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Lovely and nice one. So next time I see you, I will give you another recipe similar like this one. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.